Welcome to Jagma Talks. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today, in any organization, we need three things. One is authority, another is responsibility, another is accountability. So, these three things are very important in any organization. So, let us try to understand what is authority, what is responsibility, what is accountability, and how these three are interlinked in the organization. So, first let us see what is authority. Authority is nothing but a formal, rational, legal right to command. It means the right to give orders and the power to exact obedience. Responsibility is nothing but an obligation of a person to whom authority is delegated to act in response to an order issued by the superior. Now comes accountability. What is accountability? Accountability is nothing but it is a personal answerability for decisions, actions, and results on the part of a subordinate to his superior. Authority is delegated, responsibility is assumed, and accountability is imposed. Authority means some autonomy, but accountability is meant to regulate authority. Responsibility is derived from functions, authority is derived from responsibility, accountability is derived from authority and responsibility. This is all about authority, responsibility, and accountability. So, in any organization, one must have a clear cut idea about these three things. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, and like. Namaste.